I know you've been waiting for it. This week on Microphone Monday, classic Astatic JT-30. It's worn, it's got some miles, but it's really cool, the brown crinkle version of the Astatic JT-30. One of my favorite examples of the classic mic here. Original crystal, long dead, not usable at all really. I replaced it with a vintage Japanese crystal with a killer tone and killer output. This is one of these that I stand behind every single mic I play and I sell, but this is one of these that I'm having a hard time putting down. Check out this Astatic brown crinkle JT-30, vintage crystal inside. Enjoy this Microphone Monday. Hope everybody's being safe out there, and I miss you all.